Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials and opening the provider portal. Have your social security number, photo ID, and bank routing plus account numbers ready. This speeds verification. Next, pick the account type that matches your tax plan, taxable, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA, and select the funding method you'll use. Once done, enter basic personal details, create secure login credentials, and set up two-factor authentication. This protects your money and lets you proceed to fund the account without delays. Once the account is funded, you narrow down the exact index fund or ETF. Look at expense ratios, tracking error, fund size, and tax efficiency to decide. Cheaper, broader funds usually win long-term. Then set your initial deposit amount and decide on a one-time purchase or recurring contribution schedule. Automating helps dollar cost average. When placing the trade, choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify price. Confirm the ticker, share count, and estimated fees. You finish by reviewing trade confirmations and account statements to ensure accuracy. Check shares purchased, settlement date, and any fees. Make sure dividend reinvestment is enabled if desired and schedule automatic contributions to keep investing disciplined. Monitor performance periodically, but avoid reacting to short-term swings. If something goes wrong, failed transfers, verification holds, or incorrect trades, contact brokerage support immediately. Verify bank limits and documentation, and request a status update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.